Welcome to Space to Ground, I'm Isidro Reyna. As we work to slow the spread of coronavirus here on Earth, 3 humans continue critical work on board the International Space Station. The Bartolomeo platform was robotically removed from the trunk of the SpaceX Dragon cargo vehicle. Named for the younger brother of Christopher Columbus, the platform has the capability to host external payloads in low Earth orbit. Bartolomeo offers the station's only unobstructed view both towards planet Earth and into outer space. Application areas include, but are not limited to, Earth observation, robotics, material science, and astrophysics. The Expedition 63 crew arrived at the launch site in Kazakhstan this week, counting down to an April 9th liftoff to the station. NASA astronaut Chris Cassidy shared how he and the crew are staying safe from coronavirus prior to launch.
Well, interestingly enough, the preparation has been no different, and the quarantine for us as crew members has been very similar to what I'm used to for quarantine. The real weird part is everybody else being in quarantine also, and sort of the social distancing concept is not just pertaining to the 3 crew members, but it's everybody. And then the other part that's not so operational, but more on the support side, is trying to navigate through all the uncertainties of which people will get to come to launch, friends, family, NASA support personnel, all that kind of stuff has been quite dynamic, as I'm sure you've been experiencing in your own life over the last 7 days.
One thing astronauts have to be good at: living in confined spaces for long periods of time. 2 veteran astronauts recently shared tips to succeed in self-isolation as we practice social distancing worldwide. Veteran NASA astronaut Scott Kelly, who completed a historic 340-day mission aboard the space station in 2016, shared a few tips in a recent op-ed published in the New York Times. Kelly recommends you follow a schedule, pace yourself, go outside, and consider getting a hobby. Kelly stated, "You will find maintaining a plan will help you and your family adjust to a different work and home life environment." Veteran NASA astronaut Peggy Whitson, who spent a total of 665 days in space, also shared her own tips on CBS This Morning. For those working and parenting from home, Whitson noted it's important to understand the bigger purpose to give you reason and rationale for continuing to put up with the situation. Whitson recommends working on communicating with the people you're living with to maximize your time at home. Keep sending in your questions using the hashtag AskNASA. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.